Hello fans, welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for more video. In today's video we are going to be making tomatoes avocado salad. We all know how this avocado salad is very healthy. If you have not yet make it, just watch this video and make yours. It's very healthy. The first ingredient I'm going to be introducing you is, all the ingredients is there already. We have tomatoes, 2 tomatoes, we have maize, we have 2 carrots, we have cabbage, slicing cabbage, because I wouldn't like to be stressing myself. This is what I bought already made. I have mayonnaise, we have salt, we have egg, and I have cucumber. So those are the things I'm going to use to make this healthy tomatoes avocado salad. So guys, keep washing. This is salt, egg, already made the salad, everything is inside, mayonnaise. We have something to slice, which is making it easy for you to slice. I have my bowl here, which is glass. So guys, keep washing. When you finish making this avocado salad, you will thank me later when you eat it. The first thing we have to add now, we have to open and put everything in the bowl. We have also carrots inside, but I need more. That is why now I'm slicing it. This machine make it easy to slice. You see how it goes? You see how it's slicing? It's very simple to slice. Finish slicing. Now we take it off. Now we slice carrots. Sorry guys for the salad that is in the outside. I like eating the healthy meal. As you can see, if you've reached my channel, you know that Beautiful Shine like eating healthy meal, and it's very nice guys to eat healthy meal. It's very nice, make your body glowing and fresh. Continue grabbing the carrots. I'm still slicing the carrot because I need more. I really love more carrots when I'm eating my salad. I love lots of carrots inside because it makes it more tasty. taking off the carrot in the slicing board. Finish slicing the carrots. I take it off. Now we have one tomatoes. We have to slice the tomatoes. I'm trying to use this my cutting machine, but it couldn't make the way I want, so I used my knife. I'm just slicing the tomatoes. I'm removing the seed inside so that the tomatoes not be watering. I just remove all this seed inside. So here we have my avocado. We are slicing the avocado. Now we have two. Okay guys, my avocado salad is ready. My tomatoes avocado salad is ready. I'll make my video already before my first video before a few months ago was avocado salad. This is tomatoes avocado salad. So click on that video, you will see it. And thank you for joining me for today's video. As you can see, please, I know you will enjoy this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button as I said earlier. Press the notification bell for more video. Thanks for joining me for today's video and see you for my next video. Bye bye.